The Lamborghini Aventador stands as a symbol of raw power, futuristic design, and Italian craftsmanship. Launched as Lamborghini's flagship V12 model, the Aventador combines extreme aerodynamics with a powerful, naturally aspirated engine, giving enthusiasts a thrilling supercar experience. With its low stance, sharp angles, and scissor doors, it doesn't just command the road, it dominates attention. The Aventador isn't merely a car, it's an emotion, a dream for many petrolheads. Designed for those who crave adrenaline, its presence in any showroom reflects exclusivity and performance heritage. Whether cruising down a coastal highway or revving on a racetrack, the Aventador embodies Lamborghini's vision of the future. In 2025, this icon continues to push the limits, with advanced driving dynamics and cutting-edge design features that remain unmistakably Lambo. It's not just fast, it's ferocious. And it carries a personality as bold as its design. Asterisk, the exterior of the Lamborghini Aventador is nothing short of automotive art, drenched in a stunning white finish. The aggressive lines, sharp edges, and low-slung stance scream performance. Up front, angular LED headlights and large air intakes give the Aventador a menacing presence. From the side, the sculpted profile and signature scissor doors steal the spotlight, turning every entrance into a spectacle. The rear design is equally aggressive, featuring Y-shaped LED taillights, a massive rear diffuser, and a centered exhaust setup that hints at the beast within. Lightweight carbon fiber elements are integrated across the body to improve aerodynamics and performance. The wide rear arches and ultra-low height emphasize the Aventador's track-ready design. Every panel is meticulously crafted to channel airflow and maintain stability at high speeds, whether parked in a showroom or cruising on the street. The Aventador's design demands attention. It's a statement of speed and style. Asterisk, step inside the Lamborghini Aventador, and you're greeted by a cockpit that mirrors a fighter jet. The interior is a bold blend of luxury and technology. Wrapped in fine leather and Alcantara with carbon fiber accents, the cabin feels exclusive yet aggressive. The flat-bottomed multifunction steering wheel, digital instrument cluster, and toggle switches provide a futuristic feel. The center console features a red flip-up start button, emphasizing the supercar drama. Bucket-style sports seats provide maximum support for spirited driving while maintaining comfort for longer journeys. Customization is extensive. Buyers can select from premium materials, stitching patterns, and trim options to suit their taste. The infotainment system, though minimal compared to daily drivers, offers essential controls for navigation and media. Lamborghini has kept distractions to a minimum, focusing on driver engagement. With its race-inspired layout and luxury finishes, the Aventador's interior is as exhilarating as its performance on the road. Asterisk, under the hood, the Lamborghini Aventador roars with a legendary 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, producing around 769 horsepower and 720 newton-meters of torque. It rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 2.8 seconds. With a top speed exceeding 350 kilometers per hour, mated to a 7-speed ISR transmission. Gear shifts are lightning quick, delivering a raw and visceral driving experience. The exhaust note is thunderous, a symphony of power that announces your arrival before you're even seen. Power is distributed via an all-wheel drive system, ensuring superior grip and cornering stability. The Aventador features advanced dynamic steering, active suspension, and aerodynamic controls that adapt to road conditions in real time. Driving modes like Strada, Sport, Corsa, and Ego allow customization of throttle response, suspension stiffness, and steering feel. On both road and track, the Aventador feels like a predator, powerful, precise, and always ready to attack. Asterisk, despite being a high-performance supercar, the Lamborghini Aventador doesn't compromise on safety. It comes equipped with a full suite of modern features designed to keep the driver in control, even under extreme conditions. The carbon fiber monocoque chassis provides exceptional rigidity and crash protection. Advanced braking systems with carbon ceramic discs ensure confident stopping power, even from high speeds. The Aventador includes electronic stability control, ESC traction control, anti-lock braking system ABS, and multiple airbags. Its all-wheel drive system plays a key role in maintaining grip during fast cornering or in adverse weather. The front and rear parking sensors, along with a rear-view camera, assist with maneuvering this wide machine in tight spaces. Lamborghini also includes a tire pressure monitoring system and emergency brake assist, though safety tech isn't the primary focus of this beast. It offers just enough reassurance to let you enjoy the drive without fear. Even when pushing limits, the Lamborghini Aventador commands a premium price tag, reflecting its status as one of the most iconic supercars of the modern era. In 2025, the base model starts at approximately $550,000 USD, but with customization options, that number can easily rise beyond $600,000. Buyers can personalize nearly every aspect from paint, color, and wheel, design to interior materials, and stitching, making each Aventador a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. While the price may seem extravagant, it's not just about owning a car. It's about experiencing Lamborghini's heritage, performance, and design philosophy. It competes in the ultra-luxury segment with rivals like the Ferrari 812 Superfast and McLaren 765 LT. Yet the Aventador stands out for its dramatic styling and naturally aspirated V12, a rarity in today's turbocharged world. For collectors and adrenaline junkies alike, the Aventador is an investment in speed, style, and automotive history that's worth every penny.